Hi you guys. So today I am going to talk about these body scrubs from Lush. These are the community body scrubs. And for those of you who didn't know about this, Lush said that they wanted us to sort of vote for what 5 scents of products do we want them to turn into a body scrub. And so the ones that won with the most votes were the Comforter and Creamy Candy and Karma and Posh Chocolate and also Botanomancy, but I didn't get that one. It's a CBD body scrub, and it's swirled green color. I have the bubble bar and the bath bomb and the massage bar that I showed you, but I didn't get the body scrub. I only had a certain amount of budget to work with, so I had to let that one go. So I'm going to open all of these and show you what the consistency is like. Can you see that? This is the Comforter, right? And let's see if you can see how the texture looks. It's firm but soft, kind of like a very firm butter consistency, kind of, except it has little exfoliating sugar scrub in there, unlike butter, but it's soft and fresh. And these new body scrubs, oh my goodness, like the ones for Christmas and the ones we've been getting in our Lush kitchen boxes, and oh my gosh, there's quite a few in the last 6 months, and I just absolutely love and adore each one of those. So that's the Comforter. Now the smell of this one, I don't really enjoy as much as I usually do the scent of the Comforter, right? I love the scent of the Comforter. And this one, it smells good, but there's this sort of overlay of like, I don't know, like a cough medicine-y kind of undertone to it. A lot of the Comforter products don't have that kind of undertone, and then some of them do. So this one, to me, it does, to my nose anyway. Your mileage might vary. But it says, cozy up to this reassuring recipe of bergamot, coconut, and almond oils to leave your skin feeling snuggly. It says how to use. Sweep up a scoop and work into wet skin. Let the berry aroma wash away the blues as you buff and soften, and then rinse off. Creamy, organic, fair trade cocoa butter supports smallholder farmers. We combine oils and butters to form a rich dough, and it's sprinkled with castor sugar. Okay, oils and butters to form a rich dough, and then sprinkle it with castor sugar. Okay. The ingredients are cocoa butter, almond oil, coconut oil, bergamot oil, cypress oil, and black currant absolute. So I would rate this one a 3 out of 5 rating, maybe a 2 out of 5 rating. Next is Creamy Candy, which is another bubble bar that Lush makes and sells in stores. Like this is a bubble bar in the stores, the Comforter. So is Creamy Candy. It's made with vanilla and other things. I like it. It smells like sweet pink icing or something. This also has a slightly off note. Let me see. Oh, it's a lovely consistency though. It really is nice. It's fresh, and it's not hard at all or scratchy or anything. It's soft and lovely. Creamy candy. I would rate this 3.5 to a 4 out of 5 rating. Next is Karma. Karma, such a lovely orange color. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Wow. Yeah, I love this. This one's made with cocoa butter, extra virgin olive oil, elite butter, I hope I'm saying that right, mango butter, dark Sumatran patchouli oil, Brazilian orange oil, lavender oil, pine oil, lemongrass oil, elemi oil, and witch hazel extract. It's got that orangey, earthy, hippie incense kind of scent that I love, but you can really smell the wonderful classic Karma scent is what this smells like. So if you like the Karma scent, you'll love this body scrub. It's really a nice texture. It's a great scent. It's nice and strong. It smells exactly like you want it to smell. I would rate this one, if you like Karma, this will be a 5 out of 5 rating. Next is the Posh Chocolate Body Scrub. It says, it's the scent that lives rent-free in your mind. Now expertly crafted by our master chocolatiers compounders into a sugary scrub that'll leave you craving more. This one's made with organic cocoa butter, for extra virgin olive oil, cocoa powder, elite butter, mango butter, cocoa absolute, Australian sandalwood oil, and vanilla. I love Posh Chocolate, anything. So good. Oh, you guys, oh my God. Wow. Okay, and here is Posh Chocolate. This smells just as good as you would imagine. As good as all the other Posh Chocolate products. The body wash, the shower gel, and this body scrub smells the same yumminess, exactly the same. So yeah, if you're on the fence about this one, this is a 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. So good. Oh my God. So those are the Lush body scrubs, the community body scrubs. Posh Chocolate, Karma, Creamy Candy, The Comforter, and Botanimancy, which is not represented here because I wasn't able to get it. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll be uploading a bubble bar tub demo and a bath bomb tub demo from the Shaun the Sheep collab with Lush real soon. And so thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you on the next video. Bye-bye.